We are discussing about countries. Today we are discussing about the country North Macedonia. Officially, the Republic of North Macedonia is a country in Southeast Europe. It gained independence in 1991 as one of the successor states of Yugoslavia. And the capital city of Macedonia is Skopje. Dialing code is plus 381 389. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in North Macedonia country, they should start in their mobile number with plus 389, then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the currency of the North Macedonia is North Macedonian dinar, and the continent is Europe continent, and the population is 21 lakhs approximate, and official language is Macedonian, Albanian. And next point is North Macedonia and Macedonia the same country. Macedonia and Greece signed the Perspa Accord in June 2018, which among other things resolved the decades-long dispute over the Republic of Macedonia's name. In February 2019, Macedonia's name changed to the Republic of North Macedonia. Macedonia's name changed to the Republic of North Macedonia. That is, we should remember. And next point is, what is North Macedonia famous for? North Macedonia is the only country that got independence from Yugoslavia without shedding a single drop of blood. It remained entirely at peace at the heat of Yugoslavia wars in the early 1990s and gained independence from Yugoslavia in 1991. Next point is, do they speak English in North Macedonia? Macedonians speak by roughly 2/3 of the population natively, and as a second language by much of the rest of the population. Albanian is the largest minority language. And the next point is, does North Macedonia belong to Greece? Macedonia is the largest and second most populous Greek geographic region with a population of 2.4 million in 2021 approximately, that is. And next point is it safe to visit Macedonia? That means avoid all travel. You should not travel to this country, territory or region. Your personal safety and security are at great risk. So those who are interested to visit Macedonia, they should be careful, and they should go. It is better to go with group of friends, like a group of 7 to 10 people is most comfortable to go. Otherwise, it is dangerous to them, and their belongings also may not be safe. And next point is, what is a traditional Macedonian food? That is sarma, that is stuffed cabbage rolls, and tavsi gravies, that is baked beans, moussaka, and next is pastor majilija, Macedonian pizza, that is ajvar, pepper spread, and polenti piperki, that is stuffed bell peppers, and tullitava, vegetable and meat stew. Stew means STU. This is the traditional foods of Macedonia. And the next point is, do I need visa to go to Macedonia? Valid US passports are required for travel to North Macedonia. Visas are not required for tourist or business trips of less than 90 days within a 6-month period. And next point is, why is North Macedonia in NATO? North Macedonia had been a NATO partner. That means NATO partner means North Atlantic Treaty Organization partner country since 1995. And after a mutually acceptable solution to the issue of its same name was reached with Greece, it became a NATO member in March 2020. The country has been recognized as the Republic of North Macedonia since 15th February 2019. And next point is, what religion is Macedonian? Orthodox Christianity. The country's two major religions, religious groups are Orthodox and Islam, Orthodox Christianity and Islam. Approximately 65% of the population is Macedonian Orthodox and 32% is Muslims. Other religious groups include Roman Catholics, various Protestant denominations, and Jews are also there. And next point is Macedonia cheap to visit? Macedonia is cheap destination to visit in Europe, with the cities of Skopje and Ohrid being the most expensive destinations in the country compared to the rest of the Europe. The country is a cheap place to visit. And next point is what race was the Macedonians? Slavic tribes, that is Macedonians generally trace their descent to the Slavic tribes that moved into the region between the 6th and 8th centuries CE, and Albanians are the largest and most important minority in the Republic of North Macedonia. According to the 2002 census, they made up about 1/4 of the population. This is the information regarding North Macedonia country. Why I did this video is those who are interested to go to North America, North Macedonia is for especially for education purpose or traveling purpose or business purpose. They should know the basic fundamentals. For that purpose only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.